will learn more about the water. Let's go through it, children. Water is a precious natural resource. All living things need water for their survival, to live and to grow. Uses of water. Do you know where we use the water? Yes, we use the water for the domestic purposes like drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, and for washing, brushing teeth, and for gardening. These domestic purposes we use water. Next, see, for the agriculture. For farming, we use water for farming too. Next, for industrial applications, we use water in the industrial too. Where does the water come from? Do you know? Where does the water come from? Source of water, where the water come from is the rain. Rain is the main source of water. Water, the new chapter is water. Children, from where we are getting this water from? Yes, the main source of water is rain. The main source of water is rain. The other sources of water. Yes, we get water from river, glacier, water tap, well, pond, hand pump, right? Yes, sources of water, oceans, ponds, rivers, streams, lakes. These are the natural sources of water. These are the natural sources of water. Which are those? Tell me again. Oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes, stream, sea, well, spring, fountain. Worksheet 1. Let's name the following. The first picture, what is that? Yes, it is a river. Say river. Picture, what is that? You can write it as sea or ocean. S-E-A, sea or ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Next picture, what is that? Everybody is familiar with that. Yes, it is well. W-E-L-L, well. Now all came to know, right? What are the sources of water? Stream, spring, sea, well, pond, river, fountain, ocean, etc. are the sources of water. Spring, sea, well, pond, river, fountain, ocean, etc. are the sources of water. Okay, you have to write in your notebook and textbook too. Let's complete the sentence below. What do you see there? We get water from well. Yes, one is given. We get water from river. We get water from pond. We get water from sea. We get water from fountain. We get water from ocean. We get water from river. We get water from pond. We get water from sea. We get water from fountain. We get water from ocean. We get water from river. All the things you have to fill here and neatly write in your notebook. Let's see the uses of water. How the water we are using. We are using as drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, irrigating, firefighting, etc. See the next chart in that same thing. Uses of water, drinking, taking bath, washing clothes, cooking, cleaning, construction, irrigation, hydroelectric, firefighting. These are the uses of water. See the book, children, worksheet 2. In that you can understand. Let's match the following. First, what the boy is doing. Yes, the boy is drinking water. The next, second picture, the man is washing clothes. Third, you see, girl is watering plants. Fourth, the woman is cleaning floor. Next, the woman is cooking food. You have to match these following. Repeat with me. Drinking water, washing clothes, watering plants, cleaning floor, cooking food. Let's read the spelling. Drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Washing clothes, W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, washing clothes. Watering plants. WATERING. Watering plants. 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 Cleaning floor. CLEANING. Cleaning floor. 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 Last is cooking food. COOKING. Cooking food. FOOD. Cooking food. Drag the line neatly and send the pic. Don't forget to write neatly in your notebook and textbook. Bye children. Take care.